Hi everyone, so today we are on Upper Sea of an urbanisation called Camposol, and I got a Neptune deluxe style villa to show you. We are on the Costa Colida near the Port of Mazarron, where there's several beautiful beaches, and 30 minutes from Caveira Murcia International Airport. So we're in a great location here, kind of in the middle, you know. So let's go in and I take you around this lovely house. So guys, this is the property I'm showing you today. Now you have got gates for your off-road parking, and it's all done very privately, and you've got a nice decorative fence there. So let's go in and have a look around this lovely home. So I'm quite excited to show you. So that is the road up and down, and we're going inside here. Whoa. So, as you can see, there is off-road parking, little pergola there. You have a nice area to sit and have a coffee, and there is storage there. But look at this, guys. You got a bar. So this is lovely for sitting out, having some friends and family around, having drinks, and having a lovely time with your friends. So in the bar here, you have got a little fridge down there. You've got a coffee maker and the relevant spirits and your cocktail shaker. So, and you've got 2 bar stools, but you wouldn't really need more than that, because I'm sure the rest of you will be in this beautiful pool here. Look at that. You've also got some lounges there, so you can catch up on your tan, and you've got a shower just there. Absolutely lovely outdoor space. So I'm taking this from a different angle. It's a nice pool. It's very inviting, I got to say. And just over there you've got a nice area with seating, and you've got lights there in the pool. I'm sure they're probably different coloured lights. Most people have them. And there's your bar, of course. So I'm going to take you over and we're going to have a look inside the main property. I love these statues, they're absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Some lovely potted flowers as well. I'm going to take you upstairs into the house. I've just come in now into the D section of the property. You have got a little TV in here, a desk, and your little sofa there to sit and just have a coffee in those winter days if you wanted to. You've got a ceiling light and fan, very modern one. And this is a nice little area. You can always overlook the pool there as well. So let me go inside. We have a look through the main property. So guys, let's go inside. And as you can see, we've walked into this lovely Neptune. Now, just behind the front door, you have got, I'll stand back a bit, you have got this wardrobe with overhead storage. Lovely mirror there as well. Nice big living space. And you've got electric fire in the feature fireplace there. You've also got aircon just above there. And you've got a modern ceiling light and fan. So just going over the other end and just take it at a different angle, okay? Just to give you a feel for the room. So let me walk over through the archway and we check out the bedrooms. Now you've got this link corridor just here, and in here is your bedroom. It's beautiful, bright and breezy. You got records and blackout blinds on the windows. You got your aircon. You got this very modern ceiling light and fan, which keeps the room nice and cool. Just by the drawers there, you have got points for your TV or a telephone. You got switches and sockets on either side of the bed, and just through that archway is a double wardrobe and a single wardrobe. The single wardrobe, sometimes people use it for the shower room to put their towels and what have you in there. And then here's your ensuite. It's all fully tiled. You have a nice blue accent going on here. You've got your bath with a shower attachment and a semi-frosted shower screen. You've got your WC there, and if I pan around, you've got a nice vanity unit and a modern mirror. You've also got your shaving socket just there as well. You've got electric towel rail heater there as well. Okay, nice modern sink and vanity unit, like I said. So I'm going to take you in and we're going to walk in and around. We're going to check out the next shower room. So we're just in here through this little corridor. We got the second shower room, and as you can see, it's got a clear screen, shower screen, rain head shower. You got your WC, nice modern vanity unit and sink with faucet, and of course you got a mirror with your lights, your modern light on your mirror, I should say. So just there you've got somewhere for your towels to go as well. And it's all fully tiled, it's nicely done. So if I back out of here and we go into the guest bedroom. So just in here is your guest bedroom. As you can see, you got his and her wardrobes in here. You got modern ceiling light and fan, records and blackout blinds on the windows. Now I've just come over to the other side of the room to give you a feel for the room. And it's quite a decent sized room as well. You can put 2 single beds in here if you want it. So a good sized double bedroom. And you got your remote control for your ceiling light and fan as well. So let's go in and around. So if you've noticed, they've got some beautiful modern lighting going on throughout the house. Through this lovely living room and into the dining area. So in the dining area you have a pellet burner, you have records and blackout blinds on the windows. But what I did forget to tell you, there are also insect screens throughout the property. Again, some beautiful lighting. You've got a pellet burner there to keep you nice and snug in the winter. And through here, it's a kitchen. It's a nice squared off kitchen. So you've got plenty of top and base units. You got a granite effect worktop, electric hob, electric oven and hood extractor there. You've got your fridge, freezer, and over here you've got your dishwasher and your washing machine. You've got some top units there as well. Lovely trim around the white tiles, and you've got a modern ceiling light and fan. Now just come down around here, see, and that is just off your kitchen, your dining area. So I'm going to take you outside and we'll have a look at the top box. Now this has the stairs enclosed, which is a great idea. I'm going to shut that because I can feel the summer heat coming in there. So I'm just going up the stairs, and as you can see, there's some windows that illuminate the staircase, which is really nice. And you've also got spotlights there and a lovely handrail. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. I'm just at the top. You've got that lovely decorative trim right at the top here. So just in here is your bathroom. So you've got a nice vanity unit there. Got your bidet, your WC and your bath. You've also got a nice rain head shower in the bath and your semi-frosted shower screen. Also got frosted glass window on the door. So I'll just show you that nice shower. So you have got your shaving socket by the sink as well. So I like this bathroom. It's very plain, so you can put different colours or accents with it. It's just got that nice blue, and that'll go with anything really. So just inside here is your bedroom. So this is a lovely bedroom, and you've got a very modern ceiling light and fan, and you've got your aircon. You've also got switches and sockets on either side of the bed, which is really great for your lamps, and you've got his and her wardrobes. Sometimes people take out not the top storage but just the bottom to put a fridge in there, teas made and that, if you have guests over, you know, so they don't have to come down and bother you if they're staying with you. Now you have your netting here, which is great, and we're just going outside here now. Now guys, it's getting really hot here, and we're only at it's the 1st of June, I think, isn't it? 2nd of June. Really hot now. So just out here you have a nice bistro table and chairs, your exercise machine, and your storage. You have a water point there as well. So you've got your lounges to catch up on that tan, and just here you have a nice area to sit. It is nice and shaded. If I walk out here and pan round, you can see the awning better. So you've got a nice awning there to cover up anything. So this is a nice setting for people if they're staying over, you know. So let me take you downstairs. And it looks like the roof's been sealed up here as well, which is great. So this all counts when you're buying a property, you know, saving yourself some money. So that's your insect screen, and I'm going to take you downstairs. Now we're going to take you down and I'm going to have a look around the garden area, guys. So I've just come from up there, from the top box, and we're going out the back garden now. Going down some steps, we're going to have a look around the leisure area. So this door here leads out onto the garage or the carport. You have water points there, lovely area to sit, and if you look, the lemons are dropping off the trees there. So you got your lemon for your ice and your slice for your bar outside. What could be more perfect? So just here's a lovely decorative balustrade, and you've got your barbecue area. And this is where you can sit and enjoy a nice barbie with friends or family. How's that, guys? And these are all non-slip tiles. It's quite nice because I've never seen them green, I've always seen them blue, so it's a bit unusual. And it goes with the green plant and the green decor there as well, doesn't it? Very nicely done. It's a nice pergola here. So just around here you have a low maintenance area. You got your washing line there for your laundry, and of course you got some storage here as well. So extra storage there, that's great, and a lovely area all in all. You have of course that storage underbuilt in the front of the property as well, but it's literally just for storage, for putting two paint pots in or whatever like that, you know. So let's go. I thought I'd show you this all now. We go and have a little chat. So guys, what do you think of this? You've got a lovely bar here, got a fabulous pool where you can lounge and just build your tan. In the other direction, out the back, you've got that barbecue area. And just inside the gate, you've got a lovely area just to sit. And the lemons are dripping off the tree, so you got your ice and a slice for your very own bar here, okay? There was one thing I didn't show you. I'm going to show you now. Come here. I'm very naughty, am I? I can't believe I didn't show you this. But, so, see this here? You pull this across and you've got some privacy. And it covers up your car as well. So you have this great big pool around here. So if you are interested, I'll go back in the shade. If you are interested in this property, which is absolutely lovely, it's a Neptune deluxe with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So I will leave the reference for this property in the title of the video. I will also leave all the details of the agent below as well. What more could you want? Really lovely. Make a fabulous holiday home. So until the next time, take care, and I see you all again soon.